Hey y'all, it's B-Dog Jr. Shopping for microwaves tonight. Yeah, mine crapped out on me after 10 years. And they still carry the same exact one that I got from the last time, 10 years ago. $159. I think I paid $143 at Best Buy. I'm at Wally World. Not sure if I want to get that same one, but I like the white color of it, and I guess 10 years is pretty good service. So I think I'll go ahead and get it. That box is damaged. I don't see any other white ones. So I guess I'll go ahead and maybe I'll try the silver one this time. That's the silver there. Maybe we'll do this one. Looks the same on the inside. Same price. I say silver, but it's actually like a stainless steel finish. I think I might go with that one. It's a little prettier, although this does match my cabinets better, being that they're white. Well, yeah, I think I'm going with the stainless steel model. Anyway, this is B-Dog Jr. You guys have a good one. It's the night before the Florida-Georgia game here in Jacksonville, Florida. And we got a bunch of late shoppers out tonight. Probably a bunch of people trying to pick up their cooking stuff for the tailgate party. Anyway, it's B-Dog Jr. over and out. You guys have a good one. Go Gators.